Okay, guys. We are going to show you today how to make some good party goods. Pulled meat nachos. I got some nachos, flaxseed, veggies, simply nature, corn tortilla chips, very low carb. Calorie don't matter. Okay, now we're gonna dress these babies up and with the pulled ribs, and then we have the pulled corned beef. Everything we're gonna pull. Then we got some arugula, cheddar cheese, sour cream, tomato, avocado. You can use any chips, tortilla, Dorito, whatever the fuck you want to use. I want healthy food. Okay? I'm not even supposed to eat that shit because I'm supposed to be on keto. Okay, so these are our pool party stuff for barbecue outgoing. And you don't know what might happen. Somebody's gonna get somebody pregnant. I hope it's not me. I hope it's not your daughter. And so we're gonna party tonight. Now, I'm gonna open these babies. I never had them before, so hope they taste good. Oh my God, I can't even open them. They fucking vacuumed it up good. Look, nothing. These are super strong. Hope they taste good as they look. And we destroyed the bag, so I'm gonna take some nice. Oh, they look good. Let's see how they taste. Good. Light, fluffy, crunchy. Okay, so these are what you want to do. They're like probably made out of tomatoes, brown, green salsa, avocado, spinach, bunch of different flavors. Now we're gonna do next our green. We got some arugula. You can put the romaine, my choice. My favorite is arugula. I'm going to chop some tomatoes. Okay, you can do whatever you like. Now, get yourself some sharp knife. My knives are not sharp. There's a reason for that. Okay, so now we got the tomatoes gone, right? My next, these are gourmet nachos, so they are not some shitty nachos you're getting from the 7-Eleven. These are organic shit. And green onions. Okay, so you're gonna just spread them around. Nothing has to be in order. You can put them before or after. Now we got some English cucumbers. Here's my shallot. They taste super sweet onions. I like them everywhere. And next one, I'm going to use some hot shit. If you don't handle the hot heat, get out of the kitchen. Okay, some people like them hot, some people like them cold. I like them hot all the time. My next vegetable, it's actually considered fruit. So here's our avocados. Forget about it. Just chop them up. Doesn't have to be always guacamole because I like them firm. So you don't have to go shopping for this, guys. You just go open your fridge. What you got? I got this stuff today and I decided, you know, I'm gonna put this. You can use bologna, you can use salami, you can use hot dogs, ground meat. You can use anything you want. Okay, the next one I'm going to put some pulled ribs. I bought some ribs without the bone and I smoked and baked them like 3-4 hours, slow cooking. They are so good. And I use some little bit barbecue sauce and They're super soft. So now I'm gonna add some shredded corned beef, double dippers. So we're gonna use these because it's so nice, colorful. Look at the color. All right, so my next thing, I'm gonna add some my favorite yogurt. Well, it's not yogurt, but this is sour cream, and you can dip it. Okay, salsa, you can use it, and I don't like too much because they kind of get salty. Here's some more, and then we're gonna add some black pepper, some chips, chili flakes, your pulled rib, pulled meat, nacho, taco, whatever you want to call it. But this is good shit for your pool party or barbecue party outside in the park with your friends. Come after party, after you got drunk, you have nothing to eat. This is your food.